Naptown Tuner here. I bought one of these manual transmission Audi A4 2-liters with 117,000 original miles. The engine was seized. It would not turn over. But it turns out it was not a rod bearing. It did not throw a rod. The balance shaft went completely out and seized the motor. It dug into the timing chain, metal shavings everywhere. The guides are all laid up. It ended up completely seizing. I can't imagine that this guy didn't hear this thing for a long time. I was waiting for you before I took these guides out and actually showed you how bad it is. The engine was also overfilled with oil. This guy just bought this car. It still had a paper plate on it. He let it sit for like 2 years before I got it, but I'm sure there was an oil pressure issue, and he probably just kept on adding oil, thinking that would fix it. So, honestly, this is probably all I have to take out to see how bad it is, but let's keep cooking. See, this is just held in with the crankshaft bolt. Oh man, that is some serious carnage. Never seen something so bad on one of these engines. This thing had never been apart. It had never had a timing chain replaced. This was the old style factory tensioner. Tell me what you think about that. These balance shafts should probably be changed on these engines. They've been causing oil pressure issues and all kinds of other stuff.